I expected it to be a lot busier than this today. Well, not busy, but I expected it to be people about, being as the sun's out, and it's quite a nice morning. It's cold, but it's a nice morning. But I suppose if there's nothing flying about, I don't suppose it's worth coming out really, is it? Morning. There's bugger all going on here. It's the 3rd of January 2026, so Happy New Year. Hope you've had a good Christmas and all that bollocks. I moved house, didn't I? So it was really stressful, and this is like the first time I've been out with my camera in, well, just over a month. So I was absolutely itching to get out with the camera today. But there's nothing happening. I mean, nothing happening. I think I managed to take a few photos of a robin, and that's about it. There's just nothing flying about, nothing on the water. Most of the water's frozen up. Yeah, so I think it's going to be a bit challenging today. I mean, just look at it. It's just dead. I ain't getting no good photos today. So as I said, I moved house. Not far from where I used to live, literally, what, 5 minutes, 10 minutes away in the car. Kind of like the next village, really. Bigger house, better condition than the last house. Bathroom's massive, nice big living room, dining room. Kitchen's a bit crap, but you can't have everything. But yeah, it's going to take a little bit of getting used to. So stressed though, the moving part of it was so stressful. So if anyone thinking of moving, or you know, got that coming up soon, my advice is don't, just stay where you are. So stressful, so tiring. Yeah, and I've spent a fortune. I think I've bought so many new things for the house: beds, wardrobes, cupboards, kitchen stuff, washing machine, dryer. I spent a fortune. I could have bought a new camera, well, maybe two. So kind of finished now. The last few finishing touches to be done, and then that's it. A little bit disappointed with the garden. The garden in the last house had loads of trees, and there was loads of birds always coming in and out. And although this garden's really long and there's trees at the bottom of the garden, there's nothing really in the garden. So it's I don't know, I think it's going to be a bit challenging for me to get some shots of birds. But saying that, I have seen a lot of thrushes about, and what else did I see? Oh, there's a pheasant. I can hear a pheasant really close, and I've seen a couple of kestrels and sparrowhawks fly over. So you never know, I might get something. But at the moment, like here, it's pretty dead, and there's not a lot going on. So I was desperate to get out today with the camera, because as I said, I haven't picked it up in over a month, and I was really itching to get some new photos to try out on my new computer desk and my new little computer setup. But yeah, it's not looking good. So that's bollocks. There's just nothing about, nothing happening, nothing flying over. I'm gonna have a walk round, I've got nothing else to lose. I was hoping to kind of catch some photos of some fieldfare and redwings, which I saw last time I came. There was quite a few of them in the bushes by the canal. I've seen a couple today, but they're always too far away, and there's not enough for me to kind of hang about, try and get a little bit closer, because as I've tried to get a little bit closer, they fly off and there's nothing else there. It's a bit pointless. So I'm gonna have a walk through the woodlands, well, the little kind of wood path by the side of the river, and see if I can see anything up there. But there's got to be something about it. Even if I get one good photo, that's the moral of this year. Just get one a day. Obviously get as many as you can, but if you can get one banger every day, I'm going to be happy with that. Looking back at my photos from last year, I was a bit surprised on how many photos I actually kept If you watch my other video, the best of 2025, I mention at the start of every month how many photos I kept for that month, and I was quite shocked really. I thought I'd kept a lot more. I'm obviously getting a bit more selective, but anyway, I'm talking bollocks now, so let's carry on. Last time I came here, I came over this side, which is, I don't know the names of all these lakes at Middleton Lakes. I should do now, the amount of times I've been coming here. But it's opposite the Hyde, and it's like a walk that's only open during the winter. And I came down here last time I came, which I think was the end of November, and there was loads of red pole in the bushes behind me. So I've had a walk over here, hoping that I could see a few of them, but nah, nothing. It's just so quiet. I think I'm just gonna have to accept the fact that I'm not gonna get a good photo today. There was some coots on the water, on the ice, but I couldn't get close enough without spooking them, so again, no good. And then there was a couple of buzzards flying about, but nah, too far away. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to call it quits and probably go home and spend some more money. I think the missus wants to go shopping, and I've got to try and get a rug for the living room, and I can't get one for the size that I want anywhere. So I think that's the plan for the rest of the day. A shame really, because I really wanted to get a good photo today. Oh well, I've still got to walk back, and maybe I'll get a photo of a robin. No, maybe the photo of the robin I took this morning turns out to be a real banger, but it's just a robin, isn't it? Well, it's really naff here today. I'll be lucky if I get a photo, let alone a couple. I have edited a couple of photos recently when I've had a few minutes here and there of a leopard that I took at Twycross Zoo maybe 2 years ago now. I quite like that, and I think a few others. So if there's anything any good that I've edited in the last few weeks, I'll show you them now. So that's it. I'm going to head back. It's absolutely pointless being out today. Nothing's happening. So I might as well just head back. If there's any more photos, I'll leave them after this, and which there probably won't be. So until next time, when hopefully there'll be a bit more action. because I'm itching to have a good day out with the camera, and today hasn't been that. So until next time, thanks for watching.